How to get Temu discount codes. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save your money while purchasing on Temu. So to get started, you need to open your Google Chrome on your mobile device. Now search here grabcodesnow.com. Then tap on Temu. Here tap on Claim Now. Wait for it to load. As you can see, your Temu $100 coupon is almost here. Then scroll down and read the information. Then copy the coupon code. Go back and open your Temu application. Here tap on You. Now tap on Coupon and Offers. Now paste that code here. After that, tap on Apply. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.